Hey guys, it's Ashley from Mega World for you. And for this video, unit tour ng ating 3-bedroom penthouse here in Park Martin. So, guys, sa penetrate ng smart lock na siya. And video intercom connected to the lobby. And on this side naman guys, this is your living and dining area. Whose free driver is included and access to your balcony. And punta naman tayo guys sa kitchen area. So, naka-bar plate na siya. Box type na faucet and sink. Then this range hood, cooktop, open and premium cabinets kasama. Then proceed naman tayo. Ito yung extension ng kitchen area. So another faucet dito and provision for your washer and dryer. And ito yung maid's room. So the good thing about this maid's room guys, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Okay? And then, check naman natin yung mga bedroom guys. Guys, ito naman yung storage room ninyo. And then, dito yung powder room. And another storage para sa mga gamit ninyo. Ito naman yung bedroom 1. So, split type aircon, access to your balcony, and this cabinet is included. And also may access siya sa toilet and bath. So, proceed tayo guys sa bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 guys, again, same sa bedroom 1, may cabinet, split type aircon, and access to your balcony. So mamaya guys, check natin yung view sa balcony. And ito guys, ang maganda dito, connected yung bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 sa toilet and balcony. So check nyo guys. Yun guys, proceed naman tayo sa master's bedroom. Ito yung spacious na master's bedroom. Cabinets, kasama siya. And meron sa nailig, toilet and cabinets. Floor to ceiling na tiles, glass partition, naka-shower na din, and maganda dito, merong kasamang bathtub. Dalawa din guys yung lavatory niya. For you and to your wife or husband. And ayun guys, proceed na tayo sa balcony. Guys, kasama din yung split type aircon. Tara guys. So guys, may view kayo dito ng Antipolo Mountains, BGC, and ano to guys, sunrise view. So hindi mainit dating ng hapon. So, guys, dulo sa dulo yung balcony ninyo. From master's bedroom up to living and dining area, ganun kahaba yung balcony. Guys, if you're interested sa mga available units namin here in Park McKinley West, just contact my details guys. I'm happy to assist you. Bye-bye!